Welcome back. While the simple import module underscore name works, Python offers other ways to import code, allowing you to control exactly what is imported and what name it is given. We will look at 3 common import variations in this lecture. 1. Import all. As we saw, the standard way is import calculations. This brings the entire module object into your script and requires you to use the prefix calculations before calling any function. This is generally the safest way, as it avoids naming conflicts with functions already in your script. 2. Importing specific elements. The from module import element syntax allows you to import only specific functions or variables like add and course underscore name. Once imported this way, you can call them directly without the calculations prefix. This is useful when you only need a few items from a large module, but it carries a higher risk of naming conflicts. 3. Importing with an alias. If the module name is too long, you can use the import as syntax to give it a shorter alias. For instance, import calculations as calc. Now you use calc instead of the full name, saving typing while still maintaining the safety of prefixing. 4. Wildcard import. The from module import syntax imports absolutely everything from the module directly into your current namespace. While convenient, this is generally discouraged because it makes it very difficult to track where functions are defined and significantly increases the chance of accidental name collisions. To summarize, Python provides flexibility in importing. The safest is import module name, the most readable is import as, and the most selective is from import. Our next lecture 14.04. Use math module.
See you there.